Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you convert your TikTok followers to email leads. Yes, you can do it very easily. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's talk about this. And first I want to show you the process. I call this the 4-step process, or 4 things that you need to do lead generation from your TikTok. And then we'll look at a couple of examples. We'll log into my TikTok account and we're going to see a couple of examples, a couple of people who are doing this really well already on the platform. All right, so how do you do lead generation on TikTok? Let's talk about that right now. So the first thing that you need is an offer. So offer basically means is why should people give you their email addresses, your followers? Like, why should they give you the email? So you got to have an offer for them. An offer could be a free PDF, a free ebook, maybe a consultation call with you, maybe 20% off, or like some sort of incentive. So think of an offer, a reason, an incentive why your followers would convert to an email. So that's number one. Number two is a landing page or a website. So this is where you host the offer. So for example, if I want to give away a free PDF, I need a place where people can go get that PDF in exchange for their email. So that's a landing page or a website. Hold on, we will see an example, a couple of examples in a second. And then number three is, so once you have an offer and a landing page, you want to put that in your TikTok bio. Because you do have, like Instagram, if you're familiar with Instagram, they give us like one link in the bio. So right now you do get one link in TikTok bio. You can put that link in there. And then number four, this is the most important, because a lot of time people create an offer and it's a good one, and they create a landing page using lead pages or other ClickFunnels or other tools, and it's a great landing page, and they put the link in the bio, but then they don't promote it enough. Once you have an offer, if we don't tell people, they don't know. So in our content, the content that you're posting on TikTok, and hopefully you're posting consistent content, you are, right? So in your content on the TikTok feed and also on TikTok live, tell people that you have an offer, tell people that there's a link in the bio that they can go and click and get that thing in exchange for their email. So don't forget to promote your offer. All right, now let me bring my phone here in the view. Here we go. And we are going to look at a couple of different examples. So let's go to my TikTok. Here I am. And by the way, if you're not connected with me on TikTok, do that right now. All right, the first example I want to show you is a friend of mine, Jim Malone. So I've talked about his account before on my channel, but here's something interesting. So Jim talks a lot about stock trading and investing. That's his business, stock trading, passive income, passive investing. If you want to learn about investing money in stock market, he is your guy. But look at this. So he has a link in his bio. So when you go on the link, basically, people can become a VIP member of his alert. So he gives daily, or I think trade alerts. He calls them like flash alerts. So once you opt in here, you are gonna you'll become a VIP member, and then you will start receiving the trade alerts, which are very valuable, especially if you are a technical trader and you want to know the buy points and sell points of different like stocks, right? And the other thing is, he is, let's see right here. So look at this dedicated video. He is, how do you become a VIP member? So he's talking about, hey, go click on this link and become a member. And I know he does daily live when the market is open, Monday to Friday. He goes live daily on his account and reminds people to become a VIP member. So he has an offer, landing page, link in the bio, and he's promoting it really, really well. So that's the example number one. The second example is another friend of mine, Josh, amazing content creator on the platform. So here's Josh, Ginger Marketer. So he is all about TikTok tips and tutorials, and look how cool this is. So his offer is, how do you get 1K followers, right? So he created a guide. So that's his offer. And then if you click on his link, Look at this. So he's actually using Linktree with multiple things that people can click on. So you can join his Facebook group, you can follow him on Instagram, his Amazon wishlist. Here is the offer right here. So download my free 1K TikTok follower guide. So when you click on this, let's see what happens. So it's probably going to open really good, mobile friendly, simple page. In exchange for your name and email, you get the guide. So see how simple this is. So think of a relevant offer, a compelling offer for your audience. Put that on a landing page, put the link in your TikTok bio, and then promote that. Josh does the same thing in his videos, and also especially on his live TikTok lives. He tells people about the link, about the offer, so they can go and get that 1K follower guide from his bio, the link in his bio. So it's extremely simple. And it's the same sort of process that we use on Instagram. There's a link in the bio, and we educate our audience to go click on that link because there is an incentive there. So you can easily convert your TikTok followers to email leads. Now, if you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.